You're spending a fair amount of time managing your company vehicles and still unable to identify the costs, preventing you from optimizing the fleet budget? As a matter of fact, fleet managers encounter many challenges along the way. Fleet maintenance. A poorly maintained fleet is expensive and leads to more vehicle breakdowns, accidents, and numerous other incidents. Increases in consumption. The fuel costs represent 15 to 20% of the fleet expenses, which significantly affects the park's budget. Hidden costs. Behind the direct costs, a fleet manager is often required to analyze and pin down other expenses, such as tolls, parking, tire, and several other charges. Administrative paperwork. Handling forms and spreadsheets is such a waste of time, which is a huge workload for fleet managers. Transport operations. Unoptimized transport flows affect the business performance as a whole and result in additional costs. So, how do you spare more time for strategic decisions while improving your fleet's profitability? Digiparc assembled all the features available for your business to flourish. In fact, you'll record a return on investment exceeding 5% from year one. An all-in-one, 100% web-based software solution that manages the entire vehicle lifecycle and covers a wide range of features to simplify the daily tasks of fleet managers. Fleet maintenance tracking. Instant alerts to stay informed on the vehicle repair, approach to anticipate breakdowns, and ensure a healthy fleet. Fuel consumption monitoring. Analyze closely the consumption of each vehicle using key performance indicators and points out all sorts of abnormal fuel consumption. Uncover hidden costs. Digiparc displays intuitive and advanced dashboards to monitor charges and save funds on each vehicle. Automation of administrative tasks. Opt for innovative and secure management of all your papers. You'll also be notified in advance of the end of the validity of each document. Optimization of transportation itineraries. Plan and organize efficient trips for the entire fleet. You can generate customizable invoices and user-friendly analysis reports in one click to monitor payments. Request a free trial now and see with your own eyes how Digiparc would optimize every bit of your fleet.